there, future coders! This is Astronaut B, and today we're diving into some important coding operations. For this mission, we will be using addition, subtraction, and multiplication. These aren't just fundamental operations in math, they're also an important part of any programming language. Before we get to today's tasks, let's take a look at how we can apply these new programming operations and store their results in a variable. Addition in code is as straightforward as it sounds. If we want to add 5 and 3, we write it like this: sum equals 3 plus 5. This adds the values 3 and 5 together and stores them in the variable named sum. Do you remember what the equal sign means in this expression? Right, it means gets the value of. That means that the variable sum gets the value of 5 plus 3, which means it now holds the value of 8. Subtraction is similar. If we want to subtract 2 from 6, we write difference equals 6 minus 2. The variable named difference holds the value of 4. And multiplication? Just as simple. To multiply 7 by 9, we write product equals 7 times 9. Now the variable product holds the value of 63. Now remember, we called the variables we created to hold our answer sum, difference, and product. We could have named these variables something different, as long as whatever we had chosen had made sense for the variable's contents. Okay, now that we've covered the basics, let's use them in some real tasks. Our 6th task in our list of tasks is called Planet Side Delivery. In this task, we've got 3 crew members who've ordered pancakes, but the kitchen has cooked up a few more servings than necessary. We want to distribute all of the extra pancakes to the rest of the crew without taking away from anyone's order and without leftovers. We are going to store that number in a variable called snack size. Then we can use the deliver method to send them off to our crewmates. Pause the video here and try the pancake simulator tasks. Great job with those pancakes! Our crew definitely won't be hungry today. It sounds like we just landed on our next planet. In order to set up a base camp here, we need to generate some power. We will be using solar panels, along with our new operations we have learned, to help us with this problem. We have an area marked out for the solar panels, and we need to calculate how many panels we need to fill this area. Let's say the dimensions of the area are given by the variables a and b. If a is the length of one side of the rectangle, and b is the length of another side of the rectangle, we can multiply those together to give us the area. Then we can use the place panels method to set up the correct amount of panels. Try out this task as well as the next few solar panel tasks now. And that's it for today. It's amazing how these basic operations power so much of what we do in programming, and indeed in space exploration. We started with a quick introduction of how to add, subtract, and multiply numbers with code. These are simple operations, but they're foundational to much of what we do in programming. We saw how addition and subtraction helped us deliver the right number of pancakes for a snack, ensuring everyone got their order and there were no leftovers. For the solar panels task, we also saw how multiplication can be used to solve practical problems in coding and in real-life scenarios. Be sure to complete the programming tasks, practice questions, and extension activities before moving on to the next lesson. Remember, in the universe of coding, the possibilities are infinite. I'll see you next time. Hey, hey.